Welcome to Leeds Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how to make whole wheat chapatis. So for the ingredients, you'll need 4 cups of whole wheat flour. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You'll need half a cup of oil. This is vegetable oil. And then you'll need 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of water. So in my mixing bowl, I'm gonna add in the flour. This is the whole wheat Atamak flour. The brand is Atamak. So I'll mix in the sugar. These are 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll mix in the salt. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'll mix in the dry ingredients first. Before adding in the oil. So I'll mix in the oil in the flour mixture. Then I'll add in the 2 cups of water. With the whole wheat flour, I don't need to knead the dough for so long. I just knead just enough to put it together, to make it come together and smooth, a little bit smooth. Because this one you don't need to knead the dough for too long. Just the all-purpose flour is the one you knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. But this one, after the dough has come together like this, then it's ready to be used. I don't even need to cover the dough for 1 hour. When I do the whole wheat flour, I just start making the chapatis immediately. So the dough is smooth enough for me to start doing the chapatis. I will flour the surface. Make sure your surface is clean. So I'm gonna cut this into 2 pieces like this. And this measurement is gonna give me about 10 chapatis. So I'll divide this into 2 like this. I will roll this one first. Then I'll oil the chapati. This is a whole, I'm gonna make 4 out of these or 5. We'll see how many comes out from here. So this is gonna make about 4. Let's see how many comes out of here. So this one gives me 4 chapatis. Then I'm gonna do the other half. So these are whole wheat flour. I call them instant chapatis because you don't have to wait for them to, you don't have to rest the flour for 1 hour, so it's really fast. So within 15 to 20 minutes, you can make 10 chapatis. It's that fast. Because an average chapati takes about 3 minutes to cook. So This is it. It's gonna give me about 9 chapatis. These are 9. I'm gonna flour the surface for the second time and then roll out the chapati. This time around, it's gonna be as round as you want it to be because you've already folded it so that it can have layers. So I'll turn on the heat. The things that you'll require when you're making your chapatis, you need a heavy pan like this. My pan is already heating up. You need a brush, a pastry brush. You need a spoon. And you need vegetable oil. You can use whatever vegetable oil you like to use. You can use canola oil or any other vegetable oil. So my pan has heated. I'm not going to put any oil on the pan. I'll just place my chapati just like that on the pan. While that one cooks, I'll flour the surface and roll the second chapati. So we are going to focus on the pan to see how the chapati cooks. So one chapati takes an average of 3 minutes to cook. So we'll just let it brown a little on one side before flipping it to the other side. I think it's ready. I'll just flip it to the other side. You can see how it has browned a little bit. So on the top, I'll just put just some little oil at the top. Use my pastry brush to evenly distribute the oil on the chapati, just like that. Give it a few seconds before flipping it to the other side. It's now ready to be flipped. Some little oil, and with the pastry brush, I will just spread the oil evenly, and I'll check if it's cooked on the other side before flipping. You see how they are now? They are beautiful. So it's already cooked on the other side. I'll just take it off from the pan and place it. I'm using a spatula because these chapatis are very fragile, so they can break. So I'm gonna do this until I finish all the chapatis, and I'll be right back. Look how they just open up, you know. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye, and God bless you.